back. Hey guys, so welcome back to today's video. You guys can tell we are doing a very late Ipsy unboxing, but better late than never, right? So I actually just got mine yesterday. Let me know if any of your guys has come this late, but I feel like this is very late for what I'm normally used to, which is fine. If you guys hear any background noise, the kids are doing homework right here in the corner. I got them quiet, so we're gonna go ahead and try to do this, but you might hear a little bit of that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get unboxing into our Glam Bag Plus. If you guys didn't know, I went ahead and I did away with the Glam Bag regular, which I believe is $12, and then the Ultimate. I was just super unhappy with the Ultimate. I thought it was not very good for the price tag of it, and I ended up subscribing to Boxy Luxe and Boxy Charm Premium. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I did upload that video earlier in the month, so I'll go ahead and link it here. But yeah, I went ahead and I transferred services and did that instead. You never know, they could get a little bit better with their Ultimate, but for right now, I just was like, I'm not paying $50 for something that to me just didn't seem like it was worth it. The first thing I have here is a bag. It looks like this, so you would fold it down, and then on the inside it says Unstoppable on it. Pretty cute little bag, and it's got a little Ipsy logo right in the bottom. So first things first, I have this here, which is called the Coconut Scrub. I have used something like this before, and the smell, if you don't like coffee, you will not like this, which I do know there's people out there that cannot stand the smell of coffee, but if you love coffee, it's a great way to like wake up in the morning and like, you know, get that smell of coffee going, because I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the smell of coffee in the morning, which is why one of the reasons why I went back to regular coffee pots instead of the K-cups. Don't get me wrong, I love my Keurig because it's so easy, but there's something about waking up to like a coffee pot, brewing fresh coffee in the morning that just, oh, makes me so happy. So anyways, I have tried this before though. It smells incredible. Definitely will use it. Next thing we have is the card. And then on the inside are the products. Next up is a brush. This here is a brush. I believe this is by Complex Couture, which is a really great brand. They actually were kind enough to send me like a PR kit a while ago with a bunch of their brushes, and I absolutely love some of their brushes that they have. They have a couple of their face brushes that I really do like. They have one that's like kind of bent, and it's really great for like bronzing up the skin. So the one that I have is the Precision Concealer. This one here has got a triangle shape. It is pretty small. Like I have used this one before. And it's pretty small, which I do like. I actually like that I got a second one because I like to use the first one for concealer, and I have used it before to like kind of set my makeup underneath. So it's a really good dual-ended, it's like a really good multi-purpose brush. You could use it to kind of chisel out if you're into nose contouring, to like kind of, you know, do concealer. There's just a lot of really great uses, but I really do like this brand. I think the brand makes really great brushes. They feel really good and luxurious and sturdy, and I really like that. Next up is by Billion Dollar Brows. This here is the Brow Butter Pomade Kit, and I have the shade Taupe. I don't know if this is gonna work on me. Taupe is usually really light on me, but sometimes pomades can run a little bit darker than normal, so it may. I don't know. So it does come with a little dual-ended brush. It's a little warm. I don't know if you can see it, but it is kind of warm for me. I don't know. We'll have to definitely check it out. It is a little bit warm looking, so I'm a little bit nervous to try it out, but we'll give it a shot. Next up is by Malin and Goats. Oh, I don't know how to say this. It's a revitalizing eye gel. It's supposed to help tired-looking eyes and brighten overall eye area with rice and soy peptides. Ooh, so that's it right there. Next up I have is by Yensa. This is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. Ooh, so that's what I have here. You guys know I've raved about Yensa. I actually talked about them in like one of my underrated makeup brands or makeup products, like some of my underrated makeup products that I really do adore. Yensa was something that Yensa was a brand that I actually discovered through Ipsy, and I fell in love with they have like I want to say they have like a BB cream or something like that, and then their primer is bomb. What a really pretty color. So mine's kind of like a bright red. Oh, it smells so good. It almost reminds me, oh, it kind of reminds me, I'm not saying it is, it's probably a lot healthier than what I'm about to compare it to, but the smell reminds me so much of the Lip Smackers. Like, do you remember when Lip Smackers came out with like their gloss formula and they had a watermelon one? That's what it smells like. Again, this one is probably way better for you. I used to live through that stuff. The last thing I have here is the item that I picked out. So I ended up picking out the Autobomb Girl Powder. This is the Cheeks on the Go palette. Oh, this is a lot smaller than what I expected. But look at the packaging. Like, the little box is so cute. It's like a tin box. And then when you open it, it's got 4 different shades. Houston, Bourbon, Bleaker, and then Fifth. So let's go ahead and swatch this. But I don't know why. I just assumed that this palette was going to be a little bit bigger. So here you have the shades right here. I don't know if you guys can see that highlight, but it's more of a softer highlight. Yeah, it's more of like a softer highlight, but the pigment on here is pretty good. Am I right? Like, I do also like that it's magnetic. So let's say that you guys didn't like these blushes, or let's say it's just too small for you. I honestly think you could pop these out and just put some like eyeshadows in here and then take it with you to go. But I kind of like this. It's like small and petite. Here's the problem. I also did not read it, and it says Cheeks on the Go. So that there should have just led me to believe that it was going to be a much smaller palette. I just saw that when I saw all the options, the only products that really interested me were the Balm products itself, and there was this one and another one to choose from, and I went with this one. So anyways, I'm not mad about it. Like, I definitely see myself kind of mixing these 3. Definitely can mix these 2. These are right up my alley, so I'm not mad about that. You guys, I have to say, when it comes to all 3 bags that I've tried out, the Glam Bag Plus to me is just really right where it's at. For $25, you get a nice array of products, and there's always a great product in there. I actually really do like the bag. I like the variety that I have, and I actually kind of like that there are products that I don't have from brands. You know what I mean? Like the Balm powder blush thing. I like the Super 8 oil. I think that's going to be awesome. I definitely see myself using that. The brow butter, I'll definitely try this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit your notifications on. I do upload Sundays through Thursdays at 8 a.m. Lately, I feel like it's been more like 8:30, but I'm trying, you guys. So anyways, I will see you guys all in my next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.